Example, I would like to create a program that will model a game including a pair of dice. So I'm going to create a new project and select the defaults on the first screen as always. And then I am going to call this Dice Game Tester. Dice Game Tester, and make sure my main class is selected, and then click on Finish. And the first thing that I always do is I always remove the default comments because they make me crazy, and I reposition my braces where I like them. And then what I want to do is I want to create a class that implements a die. So I'm going to go to File, New File, again selecting the defaults on the first page, and then typing die on the second page. And this is going to be my die class. Now, what does a die have? I want to model a 6-sided die, so it has an int per side. And then in my default constructor, I want to let's see, set that. I want to set side equal to 1, I guess. In my one argument constructor, die int s side equals s, and then I want to have a method for roll. So this is going to be public, and public, and I don't care right now whether or not we return a value from roll. We can get a value later. And what roll is going to do, it's going to use a random number generator, and side is going to be set equal to rand dot, hang on, let me add my import here so that I can get my little help files because I am lost without them. Next int, and I want a value between 1 and 6, so that would generate a value between 0 and 5, so I want to add 1 to make it 1 and 6, and that has the effect of rolling the die. And then finally, I want to have a int get side so we know what value is on the die. Oopsies. Return side. There we go. That's enough to model a die. Now, in our die game tester, let's assume that we want 2 die objects. Die 1 equals new die, and die 2 equals new die. Now, in this game, I want to roll both dice, die 1 dot roll, and die 2 dot roll. And if I got doubles, I want to declare a winner. So if die 1 dot get side equals die 2 dot get side, then I'm going to say system.out.println you win. And then I want it die 1 dot get side. Oh wait, you win, and then I'm going to say pair of there we go. And so it will say what was rolled. Otherwise, it will say you did not win. No winner. Winner. Die 1 dot get side. Concatenate that together with a space, and then the die 2 dot get side. And let's run this and see how it works. So no winner, 4 and 2, no winner, 4 and 6, no winner, 4 and 1, 6 and 4. I'm going to keep rolling until I get a winner. Whoa, there we go. Whoops, I rolled too much. Went right by it. I rolled a pair of sixes. Here, I'll go a little slower. There we go. Well, I won. I rolled a pair of ones. I hope that you found this little demo helpful, and I encourage you to try to implement your own die game.